Hi boys and girls. Today we're going to work on our spelling. So the materials that you'll need for today are your Unit 6 spelling folder and then a sharpened pencil with eraser. So why don't you go ahead and get that. When you're ready, press play. Okay, and you should be on the cover of your spelling folder. And you'll notice on the cover of your spelling folder, you have the TH pattern that you're going to practice tracing. What does the TH say again? Okay, so you're going to practice your TH spelling pattern, and then on the bottom, you're going to do editing day 1. So if you could go ahead and pause this video for a minute and go ahead and do your letter writing and your editing day 1, and then press play when you're ready, and I'll go over the errors you should have found for editing day 1. So for editing day 1, your sentence says, I am med. And your sentence should say, I am mad. So there was one mistake in that sentence. Did everyone find the mistake? You should have found that mad was misspelled. And you should cross out M-E-D, and above it, you should write the correct spelling for mad. How do we spell that word? Mad. It should be spelled M-A-D. So go ahead and make that change. And then you're going to want to go ahead and open your spelling folder up. My spelling folder does not look exactly like yours because I did not bring home a copy for myself. So I have my own homemade version that I have here. And I'm going to be writing my words on my homemade version here. I'm going to do so our sounds that I'm going to have you do in your spelling folder, I'm going to do on this. And then I'm going to show you what you should have, okay? So you're open to the inside cover, and you're going to start on the first line here, and we're going to start with spelling some sounds, okay? So the first sound that you should write in your folder is a lowercase letter, and it is D. Write the letter that makes a D sound, the lowercase letter. D, as in dinosaur. Go ahead and write that. And you should have the lowercase d, like that. When you do your D, it's a magic C turn into a D. Okay? Make sure you put a finger space then between your letter before you start your next letter, okay? Put a finger space between. And the next sound is ah, lowercase letter ah. Finger space and write ah. And you should have spelled that with a A. Do you see that? Lowercase a. So it's a magic C turn into an A. All right? Put a finger space. And your next letter sound is D with a capital letter. D. And this is what you should have, capital letter D. Put a finger space. Your next sound is with a lowercase letter. Right? and you should have your lowercase letter M. Put a finger space, and your last sound is your new spelling pattern, spelled with 2 letters. You should have spelled that with the TH spelling. Okay? And then you could continue going across the top line. I was able to fit all my letters on that top line. And then I'm just going to go ahead and go across to the next one. And I'm going to give you some words to spell. The first word is me. See me. Write the word me. Sound that out. Me. How many sounds do you hear? Me. You should have 2 sounds, 2 letters to represent those 2 sounds. Me. And you should have spelled that with M-E. Me. After the word me, put a finger space and write your next word. Your next word is mad. I feel mad. Mad. Write the word mad. Ad. How many sounds do you hear? Mad. 3 sounds, right? And here's how you should spell the word mad. Okay, you have one more word to write, and it is the tricky word I. And in this case, I don't think the tricky word is too tricky, is it? I. So make sure you put a finger space after the word mad and write the word I. And how many sounds do you hear in that? I. 1, right? Spelled with 1 letter. And when I is by itself, it is always a capital letter. I. Good job spelling with me today, boys and girls. Have a good day. I'll see you tomorrow.